dated someone who was working in special ops. He hacked my phone remotely. Okay. I personally want to know this stuff so that it never happens to me again and I can help others. Absolutely. There's certain things you can do, like you can encrypt all the data on your phone. So even if he had access to it, you could encrypt it to where you had a code to where he wouldn't be able to get to it. That's one thing you can do. You don't ever want to give somebody you don't necessarily trust your phone. If they're going to be doing stuff like that, I wouldn't trust them to even handle my phone because they can do things like they can put applications on it. They can send you a virus via email. You click on the link and then it downloads some stuff on your phone. That's phishing. They could put like a device. Now there's like an RFID device they can put to your phone. There's certain things you can do on your phone to secure it. One of which is encrypt the storage on your phone. Don't ever let somebody else who you don't trust handle your phone. Let them have it in their hand because then they can do something with it. Another thing is these are just basic security concepts. Another thing is have a multi-factor authentication on your phone. And he said he was able to watch me through my camera. Yeah, he probably put some kind of code on your phone, like something. He put something on your phone, some kind of hidden application on your phone to do all that kind of stuff. That would be my guess. Unless he works for the NSA. NSA has all kinds of stuff that I don't want to. I have no intent. I want to live for the rest of my life. So even if I knew it, I wouldn't tell you. Evil organization that I may or may not have worked for.